All right, fellow crypto holders. So, a few things going on. Thought it was worth making a video to talk about. The stock crash seems to right now have been quieting just a little bit, and crypto itself is pulling back from some losses that it was at today. Earlier today, we were at north of 7.5+% down. Now we're down about 4%. The overall stock market, if I just refreshed this, so the Dow's down only 253. NASDAQ is back in the positive territory. Now we opened up earlier today with the stock market being down 900 plus points. Uh, the NASDAQ being down hundreds of points. So I'm going to take this as kind of a glass half full kind of situation to say that we're paring back from some of the significant losses. Okay. And does that mean we're out of the woods yet? No, not at all. But it means that it looks like maybe we're getting a little bit of stability. Notice I'm just a little bit of stability coming back. Trump is escalating his threats on China because China seems to be the most antagonistic right now on the tariffs. We've had about, I believe the number I've heard is at least 50 countries have come to the table wanting to negotiate with President Trump and his team on the tariffs. This was out of, I think, like 100 or so countries that were impacted by these tariffs. So again, that's good news, and we'll see how that kind of plays out. But right now, I just think that it was worth making a video to kind of talk about the fact that a little bit of the fear and uncertainty is easing back a little bit. In fact, you can see right there, we just picked up another half point. We went from almost basically 4% to 3.5%, and picking up some momentum, heading in the right direction, heading back towards neutral and or positive territory. Bitcoin's 24-hour low has been right here. Wow, I didn't even know it dropped down to 74,000. I thought it was about 76,000. So 24-hour low for Bitcoin is 74,000, and back now at 78 and change. Ethereum has been just pummeled with this move down, and it's definitely taking a bigger hit on the 7-day, down 14+%. And Ethereum's 24-hour low is 1,400. So it's bounced off of that just a little bit. XRP dropped down into the $1.64, $1.61 range, somewhere in that area. Bounced back from that pretty nicely. And all the majors have bounced back fairly significantly. These are your percentage up gainers right now. CASP is up 4%. Got a couple of meme coins there. And your largest down move, obviously Trump, official Trump token coin moves around with whatever's going on. KuCoin, you can see that. So kind of a mixed bag, but I am really taking it as this, is that crypto market's coming back a little bit, gaining about almost 4% as far as percentage down where it was. Okay. And the stock market is bouncing back a little bit. In fact, right there, I can show you that. You can see that right above my picture. See how the Dow now is only down 176. It was down 205, I think, earlier. And the NASDAQ was only up 18. And now the NASDAQ's up 160. It's right there where my mouse is, right above my picture. You'll see that. So we'll kind of see how this plays out for the remainder of the day. But I'm here for you as always. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you're watching this on X, give me a follow, because my goal is to kind of keep you updated with what I'm seeing going on. Again, this continues to just be the main narrative that we're talking about right now. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Okay. If you want help making even more money in crypto and stocks, I've got a piece of software called X1 Algo. It's a trading indicator. This is Tesla, just to give you some perspective. This is a buy alert to a sell alert on the date. Each one of these candles is a day, is where the trading data. In 68 days, 86%. So $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $868. Profit put in your pocket. But I really wanted to show, this is a great example of the sell alert at the top, and then Tesla started moving down, and in 72 days moved down 50%. So if you would have not sold at the top when the software said to, you would have taken a $500 loss. And that's what the software tells you what to do. It tells you when to buy and when to sell so that you can make as much profit as possible. So the link down in the description, if you're on YouTube, if you're over on X, the link's below this video. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. And I'm running the steepest discount I've ever ran on the software ever to give you guys a break even more on the price. It's about $1 a day is what it costs you with that discount code down there, SP1. Here's why the markets are turbulent right now. I'm trying to help you guys even more by giving you a piece of technology that can run on your iPhone, runs on your Android, it runs on a computer. It will tell you, you get alerts, little pop-ups that will come in. It'll tell you when to buy and when to sell that so you can make the most profit. So this is XRP. You can see right here in this upper right-hand corner, we are a momentum down right now. See where I'm highlighting that with green? It means to sell. So we're waiting on a buy alert coming in for XRP as an example. We had one of these a while ago. This was after Trump got elected. From there to there, that's 500%. $2,000 bought here, sold here on the buy and the sell alert would have made you a profit of over 10 grand. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. This is how you make money in crypto, how you make money in stocks. And I'm asking you for about $1 a day. That's all I'm asking. There are trading indicators that are charging $300 a month. That's about $30 or no more than that. That's you do the math. That's a lot. Okay. Yeah. $30. No, 30 times 3. I don't know. You get my point. $10. $10 a day. There it is. Don't do math in public. I'm asking you for $1. And don't do math in public. That's funny. Yeah. So look, $1. You can afford $1 to at least try it. Give it a look. You have nothing to lose because you have that 30-day money back guarantee. I'm telling you, you don't like anything. You don't like how it looks, how it acts, how it feels. You don't like the font. I don't care. You ask for a refund, you'll get it. Okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Quarterly option is the cheapest on a per day basis. It's the steepest discount there. And that discount code takes it even cheaper than that price you see on the screen. So give it a look. All right. More to come as we see the rest of the story develop. See you. Bye.